Baxcova, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 12 social media countdown. No, I'm not in a studio anymore. I'm actually right in a half a tree where I'm gonna just like walk around and just talk about the one bag of hot topics them. So anyway, I know so don't miss me. So let's get right into the chatting. What it just where does come and say a while ago? Oh, thank you so much, oh God. So the people them say welcome to the countdown.
Wait down for the countdown, keep that green and quit
No.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 12, Tessanne Chin getting pregnant. Melissa drops, so I'm there on Instagram, minding my business as usual. When out of the blue, I see this post with Tessanne put up with some mysterious man in the background. Now, I do not know who this man is. Everybody kind of shocked. Now, what the box put? Nobody not even knows that Tessanne Chin actually have love in a fair life. Because as far as we know, it's Tommy Chin alone and going with the one back in the family. But look like lo and behold, while others were with something like the heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight. But day while Tessanne was upward breathing through the night. I don't know, like, if I try to make it make sense, it never really work. So, it took everybody by surprise, and let me just read you what the post said. Oh, baby, oh, yay, 2020, hashtag over the mood, hashtag beyond grateful, hashtag we can't wait to hold you. But yeah, you see it and she put up one little picture so you find out say it's a little girl baby. Come see one little nice little pink shoes and beer things. But what we need to find out now, Berry does, who is this man? Who is this mystery man? Now, may I look on the picture and may I try to zoom in. Now, if you look on it, it look like somebody will come from like a Wayne Marshall bloodline. The same skin tone, the man have look like a grey hair. It might be like a music video director, like him own one little company or something. Probably somebody from one of our band them. We don't know, but they look like them very much in love. I'm really happy for Tessanne Chin. After me they're trying to figure out who this mystery man is that, is blessing Tessanne's womb. She revealed his picture, up close picture and his name.
And Brandon, I would like to say a huge thank you to everyone who offered such warm word of encouragement. And congratulations over the past few days. We're honestly so grateful and blown away by your kindness in your journey to becoming parents for the first time. All our love and thanks for you guys. God bless smiley face, prior her Tessanne B.
Let us congratulate Tessanne on being expecting mother, and I only hope that she named the daughter Chinita. It only makes sense, and invite me to the baby shower. Let me know what you think about this surprise pregnancy down below. Number 11, conscience split. Me gungo peas. So I was on social media recently. Why am I keep on mentioning social media? But anyhow, I'm on Instagram and I get a little buzz that Conscience's wife, Lataya, yeah man, this girl, little stay good girl and all kind of thing, put up on her Instagram story that I guess she was through with the dancehall artist. Now this is what the post read. Now Lataya says, I'm a single woman, so whatever our Conscience does with his life has absolutely nothing to do with me, full stop. I am not into advertising my personal life online, but I need everyone to know this. So if and when he starts with the single man acts, then y'all know he really is single and it's okay for him to act however he pleases. This post is not coming from a place of anger. Still love, always with one blue heart for Spice always I use. So same time now people on social media decided to say, yo, maybe there is trouble in paradise. But when everybody went over to Conscience's page, not one word after drama, not one word or indication of a split. Conscience, everything they look like it jiggy over there. All we did say is that Conscience are promote to a music video. So then if you're like me, you start to wonder if maybe this was just like a little publicity stunt that Conscience was doing just so him could have gather up some support for him new song or new music video. But then now, days later, it looked like it finally hit Conscience. Him woman probably leave him, and he put this up on his Instagram. And so this is what Conscience post read. Him say, at least I can say I knew true, unfiltered, unedited love with no ulterior motive. Love you always, lots. So I guess this actually confirms that there's actually trouble in paradise. But not just the other day, Conscience and this girl are married. When I think I did 2 years now,
change it quick. Wanna expand, new plan.
And boy, this kind of look bad. I like the two of them together. And I hope so them can patch things up. But whatever it is, it look like, say, according to Lataya, Conscience never did that. I keep him, to himself. But I just hope say him just fight back for him, woman, yeah, and then them can come back together as one nice dancehall couple. So let me know, readers, what you think about this split. Do you care? Do you wish them best of luck? Or do you even think that there's no dancehall artist who can really stay faithful? Let me know in the comments below. Number 10, D'Angel versus Coffee. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my... Oh yeah, save that for later on. So, D'Angel, says recently, always end up in some sort of controversy on social media. Now, just the other day, she put out a little video, tell her fans that she wants to talk about bag of things, and that they must, tune into her live to hear what she had to say. When she went on live, she decided to detail the fact say it's not Coffee alone and sing clean music, and she wants some of them respect there. She wants people to put respect on her name, because she's somebody who in the dancehall space for about 10 years and put out clean music.
They went on to say, only Coffee alone as a dancehall artist, I sing good clean music.
I'm just a downtown girl living a uptown life.
I beg to differ. I love Coffee, I love her music, I love what she's doing. But I've been doing clean music for over a decade now. I've been doing inspirational music for over a decade now.
I am so blessed. I am so stress-free.
So what? I'm afraid to give me my credit.
You have 1 minute remaining on this call.
I'm afraid to give me my big up. I'm afraid to give me my ratings. My fans them worldwide know this. My fans them worldwide can attest to this. My music can attest to this. But what? I'm afraid to say, in a dancehall, female artists them, D'Angel and Coffee does clean music. You name it! But no! I can't say the Angel because what? I don't forgive people them credit where them deserve. I can't say the Angel because what? I don't teeth are drop out on the head. I don't tongue I got cut off.
Okay, some people did say maybe she just call up Coffee name so she could kind of get a little hyper fight, and naturally that kind of makes sense for D'Angel to kind of keep people going. But what we want to know is that you think say D'Angel actually have some claim to fame in terms of saying that she in the same sort of category or vibe as a Coffee in terms of producing clean music? I don't know. I give her a little pass, but let me know down below. Number 9, Mackerel Assomi. My word, my sentence. So Mackerel official look like says she has found a hit song on her hands. Now the Instagram or we call it social media personality dropped a single and it is called Assomi. Check it out.
We don't need them rice for nice. We don't need them rice for nice. If them not chat me, them life not nice. We them Ozzy want top, them white not nice. I told me feel up fire man.
And the way the song actually bad, Cartel, Vibes Cartel, find little time, out time prison sentence, for endorse the song. This is what he said online.
Shotty want kill you. Here say you are F Addy. Hold the mackerel and try get little of the riches. At Lava Sound, me have to love hashtag dancehall at Shano 876 World Baller.
So can you believe it, people? You know so from Mackerel get endorsement from Vibes Cartel. You know so the girl gonna lead now. She don't have no time itch, no time away. She going actually become probably the next Spice. The song actually shot. No, yes, we said the next Spice. The song actually shot. Me would never imagine say Mackerel official would have find a song that sounds so nice. I don't know if she can actually manage Pandajan, but because she said it with so much conviction and big up the person and the producer who wrote the song for her, because we know when Mackerel write it. I never Mackerel write the song or somebody write it for her, but whosoever it is. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this Mackerel official song. Comment down below. It's shot or not?
At the country boy again. It's Charlie, and you're watching DuttyBerry social media countdown. Oh.
Everybody ready before them come in? Put your hand up. Put your hand up. Put your hand up. Hey, we got the girl on now there. Like a 4-inch glove on the lock, yeah. See them much girl that would judge me. Just know say the team will up, yeah. Top class and they pull a top sauce. Pull it up. Pull it up.
Number 8, Migos tries. So, I broke up this video now on Twitter and it showed American rap group Migos, look like them enjoy some nice good Jamaican food and not the type of cook food, box food type of settings. They took it to, after 3 settings, lunchtime settings with some nice Jamaican patty and cocoa bread.
You supposed to? Yeah, tell the cocoa bread over the team.
It's a sandwich, boy. But pieces together. No, boy, but a cheeseburger, boy.
The cocoa, tell the cocoa bread open. Open it.
Over the bread. Yeah, look, there's a little snatch in there. Oh, yo, Dante.
Inside the cocoa.
Oh,
Open the bread.
You know the bread open.
The bread open, man.
Yes, man. Yes, man, they open.
And don't chastise them too much as well. We see a whole heap of people did that do online because at the same type of thing we do when we go to Trinidad and we try to look at Trinidad accent or when we go to England, we try to look at British accent and we know some of the time it don't really cross it. But let me know what you think about, American superstars, trying to do the Jamaican language. Number 7, Macka Diamond, Kukumba, Michukumpeng. People, Macka Diamond. Me don't know when I go do Macka Diamond. Macka Diamond, no matter how people want Macka Diamond to stop and retire, Macka Diamond is going to continue pressing on. So she dropped this song, this single one named Kukumba. Me see her about the place on social media. Before that, I post up a little picture, that little something look like, so she probably do up a little something around her bumper. Come here, I say, I know Macka Diamond get that type of bumper there, but boy, yeah, I see it in a little promotional picture. I say, what is Macka Diamond really going with? What she come with? Why is Macka Diamond, a mature woman, going to be singing or talking or DJing on a Kukumba? But it's not the first time Macka Diamond able for them antics here. It is not the second, it's not the third. Anything where young girl depend, that is what Macka Diamond her live it. So she dropped the song, I think 2 days ago, Kukumba, summer run for go pre. Check it out and we could discuss afterwards.
Put a smile on my face when me a eat the cucumber. I know do me a chase. Me no want no susumba. Look how me wind up me waist, like me a dance to the zumba. Vegetable man just me kiss, and bring me cucumber.
Alright, Macka Diamond. Okay, I see you. You're going for the little die vibe, the little Dovey Magnum type of vibe. You talk about you want the Kukumba, the Susumba, and them look something there about Macka Diamond. Macka Diamond with your new vegan body. You tell me say you can manage Kukumba, Macka Diamond. Macka, you have one other line of the song. Why is it that you are taking aim pan Crystal? Why are you saying that you want Beenie Man's Kukumba?
You want the G6? Call me.
We want the same thing with Crystal get from Beenie.
Macka, you need to behave yourself. You need to behave yourself, okay, Macka Diamond? But honestly, I love the song. The song actually nice.
Cucumber, the #1 vegetable.
And it remind me of the Macka Diamond when they used to sing. When the song name? Sure, I can't remember Macka Diamond. Oh yeah, chase money, money, chase me. And then because I don't want to go die, oh die, boy. Can you know Macka Diamond do like singing something in like a voice? At them time they know say song shell.
From the eye smile on my face when me a eat the cucumber. Big smile. I know do me a chill.
So Macka, I enjoy the song. I am nervous for the music video. If you're gonna do it, Macka Diamond, I'm nervous for the music video, but I would look forward to it. So Berritos, make sure say you go and run in for Macka Diamond new song named Kukumba, because I wouldn't be telling you say it nice if it never nice. Give Macka Diamond a chance, and I do not know when she's going to retire.
Don't disturb me.
But you can do it after me link up and do one video. Because Macka Diamond a long time, but still use them. I can DJ too. A long time I have Blacker for the day I talk about things them. Why you and me can link up on a song? Why we can't do Bunny remix? Think about it, no Macka Diamond? Link me. Okay? Number 6, Bully Beef, bullied. My Grace Tomato ketchup. Bully Beef, she is the most recent social media rising star. She's known for her voluptuous curvature. And she has been promoting herself on social media, trying to reach the same standard as, Candy and Mackerel. And, as with all of them star here, everybody have them drama. So she put out this little video sharing Fear Susan/Oprah emotional story about what it was like when she was younger and being chastised for her very unique shape. Take a look.
Remember one time when I did small, when them used to trouble me and tell me how I'm big and fat and how my shape bad. And how me not go nowhere, how me need them knock up and a bag of things. I go that road. But thank God for that cousin there, what I have. I will never forget that day. You see it? And right now, me there so, I the same criticism. But what? It a build me. So all who feel like say Bully Beef I go run and go cool down, no. It not work. You see?
Oh wow. No boy, that's sad. That's sad, and it's just interesting how everybody have a story. Because, as Jamaican people, we take for granted, say, as much as you see we're bold and confident on social media, we have Bully Beef crosses, and Bully Beef issues and things we are torment we at night time. And so Bully Beef, I guess she is no exception. But let me know, Berritos, you feel sorry for Bully Beef? You think say what she say is valid, or you want to stop off of social media and just done the one back cowballing? No pun intended. Let me know down below, Berritos. Hey everyone, I know that you are enjoying the social media countdown, but let me just say, if you want to promote, please reach out to TheDuttyBerryShow at gmail.com. It's awesome rates. You can get to promote your business, your event, your music. Send us an email right now. It is TheDuttyBerryshow at gmail.com. That is it, and we can get the conversation started. Now enjoy the remainder of the countdown. Number 5, Fat People Wars. Me jiggle jiggle. So, Jason Anstey posted this video to his Instagram feed, and it was detailing how Jamaican people have a tendency to, you know, if they're saying in a little while, and then when them say you might have to put on a little weight, the first thing them greet you with, what a way you big and favor cow. Pre what he had to say.
Jamaican people have a bad habit of when them not see somebody in a long time, them greet them by telling them how much them put on weight. And it would have bad and not so bad, you know, but you know, Jamaican people dramatic and embarrassing. Jesus Christ, Jason, what a way you're big. I wish party you're big, I go. And if that is not enough, them all are call down proud by you. Maxine, come up and Jason, how I'm big. Jesus Christ. And you're looking at you as if you're sick, like it's a disease. Yeah, first of all, people who have put on weight, yeah man, they know. They're aware. So don't tell them as if it's news. They're the ones who have to go home and can't fit in the clothes them no more. They're the ones with the breathing problems. So what you're telling us is not news. I mean, you go out, or you're getting ready to go out, you're feeling some type of way, you put on your 2X shirt and your size 40 pants, feeling cute, and here comes Peggy from your past who you never sent for come tell you say you look like one cow.
No, this is something we can definitely relate to. Just a while ago, I was walking the Avenue and a woman see me. And the first thing, not hey, not hi, not how you're doing, is what a way you get big as well I go answer. Why Jamaican people say like that? I have feelings too, you know. If you see me, you just say, boy, you know, say your shoes look good. And then you kind of slowly ease into the fact that I put on a little weight. But you don't see me and say, look on your big old belly, look on your thigh, them, how you roll up favor, what you call it, them barrel. Don't do that to me, man. I have feelings, me ball. I know I'm not stay that bad. I'm not that bad. I'm not reach levels of fluffiness yet. So when you see me in the streets, people, say to me, very nice personality, good elbows, look on your cuticle, them all them nice. And then you kind of say, oh yeah, get healthy though. Oh wow, you're getting so strong. Look at your arms, your muscles. Say that, but don't point attention to me get big and fat. I just get sturdy, you know. Say strength, you know, no weakness. Watch there. Comment down below what you think about these people. Number 4, single stress. Me heartache and pain. So one of my favorite, you know, personalities online. One of my people might not know about her, but her name is Carla Moore, aka More Talk JA, More Mayhem on Instagram, I think. And she normally put out videos just talking about things relating to her, about African ancestors and all kind of things. But on this occasion, Carla decided to change things up a bit and talk about the things them. She decided to talk about how life is like as a single woman and how it is affecting her.
Greetings and salutation. This is Carla from More Talk GA, and like I said something, this might be a TMI, but I just looked on my front a while ago and it looked very, very single. Now, no shade to anybody who chooses not to shave. I don't really shave, but usually I groom on them something, but I realize that I hear them on the outside of the panty, I'll wait for meet me. Like, I usually try to give people like a fairly moderate working area, but obviously nobody's coming to work there. There's no construction happening. We not even have somebody I sell a bag juice out of the gate at the side, like we are closed for business. Ain't nothing happening here.
So let me know, Burritos, can you relate to this? Are there signs on your body when you're single, ladies? Sometimes I really shave up the little things and when it's supposed to like neat and tidy. Let me know down below. And next up, I'm going to feature my YouTube bridging yardman Ethan to do the next number because I'm never really that interested and didn't do enough research.
Yo, welcome people, I don't know, say yardman Ethan and I are filling in for the Dutty Berry. Is it me I say for number 3, my state of emergency, no pun intended. So people them, look here now. Alkaline versus squash are going right now. Come, yo, I tell you the truth. I don't know about Uno. Uno can sound off in the comments down below. But me personally, I felt like dancehall was kind of boring for a little while. And it did need a little, you know, gazumping somewhere. Is it me I say? I borrowed the word from Duttyberry. Is it me I say? It did need some type of pepper. Is it me I say? It did need something. And we'll finally get one war between the 6 boss and the Vendetta boss himself. Me don't know where it start from. Me just know say Alkaline they drop one song named Depend Upon Nobody.
Vendetta no depend on nobody for nothing, cause we a soldier and we a whole heap of gyal everywhere all over.
And then Alkaline they say something like say, yo, them and our boss them a basket. And then something about them can't run the place, them need to go run a CrossFit. Yeah man, that sound like that was something that was, you know, directly targeted to the 6 people them kind of know, so the people that kind of, you know, kind of bigger in a body them way. Hey. You see me I say? And then after that, me know say Squash drop one song named Bulla Head and Pinocchio. I mean, I tell you the God truth. When you go on Twitter, everybody has said, Jano.
You want work with the feds and I call down state time merge. Walk to your place on the purge.
Never know say Squash can go them levels, yeah? Because the first time when I see Squash actually getting on one beat in a dancehall and really, you know, go gritty with the music, isn't it?
Yeah, shut up, watch your butter, flick your little blood, a drop a drip, very top it, fire, hold the matic with the proper grip.
But then, Alkaline come with state of emergency. You see me? I mean, I tell you, boy, it's like Alkaline getting on one different type of meds when he war somebody. Remember what Alkaline the popcorn? When I remember that? Hey, I never not normal that, you know. But me know say when Squashy drop Pinocchio, like people that wonder, hey Alka, how come you don't answer the man? But then I don't believe people realize the genius behind this execution. Alkaline dropped the final piece as of this recording, named Death Announcement, on the 6th of the 9th month.
Anyway, we go in the street, you don't see man, you want to call your name and make the man pronounce you. See the man.
Alkaline well subliminal with that one there, you know, and I don't think whole heap of people realize the 6 and the 9 where I'm you know, fling word for the 6 people them. Since the last recording, Alkaline and Squash has been back at it, back into the studio, and then come back with some more song to at it. But listen now, Squash will come with funeral program.
Strap like a nicotine anyway.
No, according to funeral program, boy, according to the streets never too like that one here, because really and truly, I don't know how Uno feel, but see, when it comes to clashing and splashing and all them something there, I feel like you can diss a man like all 50 times. You can say things about them mother. You can talk about how bullet are go, you know, shell out them head like tambourine. Those lines are so generic. It does like we need some type of oomph and spice when it comes to them type of scratches. You see me I say? After that, Alkaline come with Most Wanted. But then guess what? What? Squash look like him go link Chronicle off and write one last piece of song for Alkaline today. What is today? The 13th of September. My good gosh, man. Squash come with a song, one name, one shot.
I'm in 13, me just go make the 6th to make a roll.
And in the song, Squash come talk about Alkaline school challenge quiz days. Him come talk about Alkaline brata days, but wait, and him claims Alkaline learned that from his mother. So people them, how you feel about this? Who you think I win this feud? Alka or Squash? Sound off down below.
Number 2, back to school speech. Me book list, so, you know, the video here featured this woman. Now this video is not an uptown lady. She's a very grassroots type of woman. And look like she reach a school and, you know, all of the parents them gather around and I talk to the teacher about what their expectations are for the school year. And this is what the woman had to say. Pray.
Me not like when my people come to school and me have to sacrifice and buy my textbook. Look here, one Christian thing. Because my child are using textbook because 5 other more penny or 10 other more penny. I sacrifice me, man. And me don't like your ears now it's a go on. You can't do the ears. Teacher, you don't maybe know about them principal. Because you're not going away. They do their ears, and not for them my man. So, no parents, no work. Me do 9 to 5 with my front. I'm not pick my front. When nobody pick me, make my opinion achieve what them achieve. I like this. Teacher, you maybe not go roll a night time and you not go party. But if you see some of them on the street, then buy dearest bag for them picnic. Look at it. Why the book can't go in at the deer bag? Why when the picking them away the dearest class? Why the book can't go in at the dearest class bag? Me not like it. Me have to make sacrifice to my use them.
No, that lady is legit what Martin Luther King would have been if he were Agudas. No man, but the funny thing, don't mind our delivery. What the lady was saying are all facts. Parents need to make sure that they play a more vital and important role in raising them children and make sure that they have them priorities set. Last week in the countdown, we showed a lady who was busy cussing out Spice for not making sure say books and pens them debut. But when you look on the lady, she have on one big long latest hairstyle. So how you kind of complain? So parents out there, prioritize your kids them, put them first. Don't get name brand and then don't make sure so them don't have to book them. Alright, what you have to think about, what you have to say about this matter burritos, sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Before the girls them sexy and young. Run club, sing along. Well then, big up the friend.
Yo, people right now, big up Yendi Phillips for celebrating her 34th birthday. I mean, I tell you the God truth, yo boy, Yendi. I feel like I when you have 50 odd. I still not want to come look you, I swear. Same way. Yo, hey, me I tell you, so right now if you need this single, me da up in a Yendi DM, same way how me up in a Shensia DM. See me I say. Same way, hey, Yendi, big up yourself, you know. Right now I also want big up Miss Lou, cultural icon.
Look our same way.
Wait, hey. Miss Lou would have celebrated her 100th birthday, people. You see me? So big up Miss Lou. Right now I want big up myself. So guess what? Yeah, money that reached 30,000. Well, actually, right now I'm over the 30,000. You see me? I'm like 31.5 thousand subscribers for YouTube. And right now, you see me? I say, so people them, thank you so very much for supporting, you know, the Yard Clan. You see me? I say, the Yardman Clan, the Yardman movement and everything. People them, thank you so very much. And of course, last but not very least, I want big up my friend, like a mentor of mine. You see me? I say,
I'm so old.
the same, you know, Duttyberry for reaching 200 years old as well. 200,000 subscribers
Thank
on
you very much,
YouTube.
Burritos. Continue to do big up and say good things for me.
Yeah, hola, I can get some more money out of your next, you know, YouTube.
I'm suffering.
So, what, you have 200,000 subscribers, brother? Isn't it?
200,000.
Yo, people them subscribe to Yard One.
And number one goes to Nicky Z versus Etana. Woo! Yeah. I'm so tired, but actually, can I believe I'm actually recording a countdown all over half a tree? That is freaking amazing that I'm actually even doing this. But anywho, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So, boy, me join Twitter at TheDuttyBerryShow, so make sure you go and follow me. So, but upon Twitter, I mind my little business, you know, I surf around and see what's going on. When out of nowhere, in the middle of the night, I realized a big excitement of one with Nicky Z, Miss Media Personality, versus the strong one, Etana. No! What happened was, alright, so this is the post that caused the whole controversy. So Ava DuVernay, she had a lady who did put out the movie with the youths and the exonerated 5. Anyway, so she put out this post that said, it says, let's replace those images of a Trump supporter gleefully cutting a black man's locks. So alright now, so basically you're supposed to put a picture of yourself in a lock. So then Nicky Z replied and posted this picture with the hashtag LockLife, and then she adds Etana strong one. So then Etana never liked the little shady style when Nicky Z might have tried and replied saying, leave me out of your political tweets. I will talk about and get involved in what I choose. Okay? So then Nicky Z clapped back and said, did not even think of it any offensive way, ... Just grab the first cute pic with my locks. No offense was made. But I get you. And so everybody online was like, sure, Nicky Z, sure. Okay? So then Etana stepped it up a notch in only a way that a downtown girl could appreciate. Mr. Industry Mattress coming at me.
I see them coming after my soul.
But I don't know enough about such a character to know that they just need a hug. Take care of you. Try to truly stay happy. Smiley face. And then there's one bag of feedback between the two of them I can't get into right now because, yeah, just a bunch of waste of time.
Protest about a man who got his locks cut by a Trump supporter because, according to the Trump supporter, he was giving him a better life. So the hashtag is asking people with locks to post proudly an image of them with their own locks to replace the bad images. Cool protest, right? So I couldn't understand why a picture of me 2 months ago that was taken with her at Sumfest would be the first pick for the radio personality to post in the protest. Like, according to the radio personality, she hasn't taken any pictures in 2 months. And that was the cutest picture that she could find to post in the protest, which to me has shade all over it.
Like, keep it up. It's me. I win. You lose.
And then Nicky Z posted
upset that I tagged her in this political post, which, truth be told, to me, I wasn't even looking at the post in a manner that she did. But that's beside the point. If that's how she interpreted the post, then that's how she interpreted the post. The post was about a woman who cut off a boy's hair and basically said she was doing it to give him a better life. And Ava DuVernay said, you know, tag your majestic locks. It was a black empowerment thing for me. And I felt that picture showed just that. The melanin, the afro, the locks and all of that. So I posted it.
So let me know, Burritos, what did you think about this whole Etana versus Nicky Z saga? Do you think that Nicky Z was actually being shady, or you just think, say, Etana was being too strong? Comment down below. Well, that is it, people. We've come to the end of this top 12 social media countdown. I am Duttyberry. Thank you so much for listening and watching this very different sort of setup. I hope that you enjoyed. Big up Yardman Ethan for, you know, jumping in and supporting. Big up, right? Well, you can't really stream running, so you can't run into the shot. Make sure say if you're watching right now, you hit the thumbs up button, and also to leave a comment, let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. And if you're new, please to subscribe. Okay, simple as that. Take care until next time. Oh, and follow me on my social media at DuttyBerryShow. Everywhere to book me, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. So take care until next time. Wow. Anyways, done. Anyway, we're done.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.